In this video, we listed the 10 best tools under $50 for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, TSTAK Multifunction Foldable Level. The TSTAK Multifunction Foldable Level is a versatile and innovative tool designed to streamline woodworking and various construction tasks. This 28-inch leveler offers multi-angle measurement capabilities, allowing precise leveling in virtually any position. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to store, perfect for users looking to save space without compromising functionality. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the TSTAK leveler is especially suited for tasks requiring accurate angle adjustments, whether for carpentry, tiling, or even home decor setup. As a great addition to any toolbox, it's marketed as an ideal Christmas gift, with its time-saving design appealing to users who prioritize efficiency. This foldable level tool enhances accuracy, making it a thoughtful, practical gift for anyone with a passion for woodworking or home improvement projects. Product 2. Product name, Cartman 148-piece Automotive and Household Tool Set. The Cartman 148-piece Automotive and Household Tool Set is an all-in-one toolkit designed for both automotive needs and household repairs, making it an excellent choice for car enthusiasts and DIYers. This comprehensive set includes a wide variety of essential tools, such as sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, hex keys, and pliers, ensuring users have the right tool on hand for almost any task. The tools are crafted from durable materials, providing longevity and resilience under regular use. Ideal for tasks ranging from car maintenance and repairs to home improvement projects, the set is organized in a sturdy carrying case, making it convenient for transport and storage. The CARTMAN tool set is especially useful for those who value versatility and organization, and it provides a solid foundation for tackling various jobs, whether around the house or on the road. Product 3. Product name, Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. The Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge is a precision measuring tool that combines advanced digital technology with reliable construction, ideal for professionals in various trades like carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, and DIY projects. This tool is designed to measure and set angles accurately, covering both 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees ranges, which provides versatility for a wide range of applications. It features an easy-to-read digital display and provides real-time measurements for quick assessments and adjustments. Key features include a strong magnetic base for hands-free use on metal surfaces, a backlit display for visibility in low-light conditions, and a compact, durable design that withstands job site environments. The Klein Tools 935 DAG is also user-friendly, allowing users to zero out for differential measurements, which helps in calculating the relative angle between surfaces. Product 4. Product name, Daxion Borescope Endoscope Camera. The Daxion Borescope Endoscope Camera with Light is a practical inspection tool designed to assist in hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for automotive repair, plaque inspections, and home maintenance projects. This 4.3-inch HD endoscope camera offers 1080p high-definition resolution for clear, detailed visuals, providing an efficient way to diagnose issues in tight spaces. Equipped with IP67 waterproofing, it can handle wet environments, adding versatility for a range of inspection scenarios. The 16.5-foot flexible cable allows it to snake through difficult spots, such as inside walls or pipes. The built-in adjustable LED lights illuminate dark spaces, enhancing visibility where natural light is minimal. Its durable design and practical applications make it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable inspection tool. This Borescope is also a thoughtful gadget gift for men who enjoy DIY projects, mechanical work, or household repairs, making it a versatile addition to any tool collection. Product 5. Product name, DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light Flashlight. The DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light Flashlight, DCL040, is a versatile and durable tool designed for worksite illumination and other heavy-duty applications. It runs on DeWalt's 20V Max lithium-ion battery platform, compatible with a range of DeWalt tools, making it a convenient addition for those who already use DeWalt's 20V Max system. The DCL040 flashlight features a bright LED output of up to 110 lumens, providing strong, focused light to illuminate workspaces with clear visibility. This LED work light is designed with a pivoting head that rotates 120 degrees, allowing users to adjust the angle of illumination and target light where it's needed most. Additionally, the flashlight has an integrated hook for hands-free use, making it ideal for various situations, from construction sites to home workshops or outdoor projects. It offers long-lasting battery life, especially with the 20V Max battery, ensuring dependable performance across extended work periods. The DCL040 is a solid choice for professionals and DIYers alike, especially those invested in DeWalt's 20V Max ecosystem. Product 6. Product name DeWalt TSTAK Tool Box. The DeWalt TSTAK Tool Box with LED work light flashlight offers a practical, heavy-duty solution for tool storage and accessibility. Designed with the user's convenience and safety in mind, this tool box provides ample space and organization for various tools, with a spacious, extra-large interior and a removable tray for easy access. The TSTAK series is known for its modular stacking design, allowing it to securely connect with other TSTAK units for a custom storage solution. This model also features water and debris resistance, keeping tools safe and protected even in rugged environments. An integrated LED work light or flashlight enhances this toolbox's functionality by providing visibility in low light conditions, a valuable feature for users working in dimly lit areas. As a trusted DeWalt product, the TSTAK Tool Box aligns with the needs of both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts, complementing other DeWalt tools with durable construction and practical features. This toolbox would serve as a versatile addition to any workspace, offering secure storage and convenient lighting when needed. Product 7. Product name Preciso Digital Angle Gauge. The Preciso 3-in-1 digital angle gauge magnetic with laser level is a versatile tool designed to assist in precise alignment and measurement tasks, particularly for woodwork, framing, and other DIY projects. This digital level offers a magnetic base for stability on metal surfaces and is rechargeable, providing convenience for extended use without frequent battery replacements. Its functionality includes a digital angle gauge with both 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees measurement ranges, making it suitable for tasks requiring angle measurements on saws and other equipment. Additionally, it features a cross-line laser level, adding accuracy to tasks like hanging frames or setting up structures. The wall mount base makes it ideal for hands-free use, allowing for accurate placements and ensuring straight alignment on various surfaces. This tool's multifaceted design makes it a practical addition for users in need of precision in household projects and woodwork setups. Product 8. Product name Digital Caliper Measuring Tool. The Digital Caliper Measuring Tool is a versatile, stainless steel measuring instrument ideal for precision tasks in DIY projects and household applications. It features a large LCD screen, allowing for easy reading and an intuitive user experience. This digital caliper offers flexible measurement options, enabling users to switch effortlessly between inches, metric units, and fractional measurements. The 6-inch size makes it practical for both detailed work and larger measurements, whether measuring small parts, household items, or materials for woodworking, crafting, or home repairs. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable tool for everyday tasks. Its digital micrometer function allows for accurate measurement of interior and exterior dimensions, depth, and steps with a high degree of precision. This is a valuable addition for users interested in maintaining high-quality standards in their work, similar to other precise measuring and cutting tools such as the Frozen Sonic Saber cutter for 3D printing, or the Jorgensen No. 102 3.5-inch mini wood planer for woodworking projects. Product 9. Product name 7-in-1 Insulated Screwdriver Set. The 7-in-1 Insulated Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit designed for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, featuring multiple interchangeable screwdriver tips within a single handle. This magnetic screwdriver tool kit is crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, known for its strength and resistance to wear, making it suitable for various electrical and household tasks. Each tip is insulated, providing extra safety when working with electrical components by helping to prevent electrical shocks. The ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, while the magnetic design enhances precision and ease by securely holding screws in place. This multifunctional set offers a compact, all-in-one solution, ideal for both professional electricians and those handling occasional electrical repairs around the house. Product 10. Product name: Max Air HVHF Portable Exhaust Fan. The Max Air HVHF 12 Combo Heavy Duty Portable Exhaust Fan is a powerful, versatile solution for efficient ventilation in various settings. This 12-inch, 2-speed extractor fan delivers up to 2000 cfm, cubic feet per minute, of airflow, ensuring rapid and effective air movement. Equipped with a 20-foot flexible hose, it's designed to handle demanding ventilation tasks, from clearing smoke, fumes, or dust to cooling and freshening confined spaces like garages, workshops, or construction sites. Built for durability, the Max Air HVHF exhaust fan features a robust frame and heavy-duty motor, making it suitable for tough, industrial conditions while maintaining portability for easy setup and relocation. Its 2-speed options offer adaptable performance for different needs, providing flexibility whether high-power extraction or lower-speed air circulation is required.